I'm going to make a protein-rich green bean soup in coconut milk. Yes, I love working with beans and legumes and pulses. Not because of its protein content, mainly because of its high fiber prebiotic content that's good for gut health. I'm going to take you through the whole preparation step by step. So number one is, first I wash, just with regular water, I wash the beans. I soak the beans like we do, but I soak the beans in boiling water, in hot water. Now you can soak it for an hour or 2 hours, it doesn't matter. You can soak it overnight too, right? But remember, you're soaking the beans in hot water for the one main reason, because when you soak the beans in hot water, the beans give out or send out indigestible starches and sugars that comes in the water, right? Now this water, it will turn green in color, and the temptation is to think that the nutrients of the beans are in that water. That water mainly has indigestible starch and sugars that have no nutritional benefit to the body except for causing bloating, and the body cannot digest those starches. So it's best, after you soak the beans in hot water, after you finish soaking it, I throw away that water. I have soaked these beans for a few hours now, and I'm going to actually boil it for about 10 minutes or something. Now the temptation would be to use this water, this green colored water, but the beans have released starches and indigestible sugars, and there is no nutritional value in this water, so I'm going to pour it away, and I will use fresh water to boil the beans. Now I have actually cut pieces of coconut, and I will make fresh coconut milk. I ground the coconut and I put it in my and just squeeze the coconut milk out. Most people who make coconut milk at home know how to do this. I really love doing this because you know that it's not no additions, and also I use the husk, the leftover, because it's high in fiber. So I put it in my pancake batters. Now I have my green moong, which is already cooked with water, and I will add some cardamom powder. So you can add whatever you want. I like the taste of cardamom, so I will add a pinch of cardamom powder. I will also add some coconut sugar, so 2 or 3 teaspoons of coconut sugar I will add to my dish, and you can add whatever you like. It's just and then now this is the coconut milk, and I'm adding 2 scoops of all plant protein. Now why do I add all plant protein? Because the green bean doesn't really have enough protein. I want to make this a balanced meal where I have good fats from the coconut milk, good fiber from the green bean, and protein from the all plant protein powder. So my soup actually is almost ready. I just cover it to simmer it for a while, and here it is. If this video is helpful, hit the share button and share it with a friend.